So we've just hiked up to an alpine lake, burned like 1 billion calories, and we are starving.
Richard looses the car that's in the back end of this.
So we're gonna do a taste test today on 2 companies that make dehydrated meals for backpacking. We're putting the Backpackers Pantry lasagna meal up against the Mountain House lasagna and meat sauce meal. We were gonna try to do a blind taste test, but all 4 of us, myself, my cameraman Brian, my brother Nate, and my dad, have all had Mountain House lasagna meat sauce before, so it was very obvious which one it was. So we're just gonna do a quick taste test to tell you guys who likes what and why. So let's go ahead and break these 2 meals down. So round 1 is cooking these meals. How long do they take when you're starving? You've burned literally like probably 500 to 1,000 calories trying to get up this mountain, and you need food. Well, right out of the gate, Mountain House wins because it takes about 8 to 9 minutes for you to, once you put the boiling water in, to get it to the consistency that you need. Maybe a minute or 2 longer depending on altitude. The Backpackers Pantry was 15 to 20 minutes, so much longer, and when you're trying to get food in your body, that 15 minutes is murder. Okay, so we're gonna start off with me and my buddy Brian, and we're gonna taste these and see which one tastes better.
Oh, so I'm gonna close my eyes.
It's pretty good. All right, so now we're swapping.
I got Aaron spit in here. Delicious.
Yummy.
Wow.
Okay, so this one right here, I'll annotate in what this is. Bing. It's good. It's a little, okay, no, it's not good. It's a little bland. It tastes a little bland to me. Some of the noodles are still kind of crunchy. It wasn't bad, but compared to the other one, I mean, that one had a lot more flavor and just, I don't know, just felt, I don't know, I liked that one more.
And I actually liked that one more because this one was like super tangy, kind of spaghetti saucy, you know, which I get. But it's lasagna, not spaghetti sauce.
Yeah.
So I mean, I get what they Mountain or whoever does this one does the. But yeah, I mean they're definitely, if you want energy and you just want to eat and you've hiked like 5.8 miles,
like we have
2,400 feet. Yeah.
But so you're saying you would pick this one?
Totally.
And I'm saying I would pick that one.
And I get one of these as my dinner night, so I'm picking that one, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Whose spoon is this?
It has a Gideon spoon.
Okay, I'm going for this one. Let me see if I can find some of this crunchiness. I definitely do not like that one as much.
It's good. This is definitely more tomato saucy.
This
Tomato saucy, and it seems like it has more meat to it.
Yes,
And then-
I would agree with that too.
And this one is, you know, more like lasagna. This is like more like spaghetti, and it has a little bit more.
That's
A
probably
little
true.
more spicy.
I don't like
flavors
this though.
to it.
I don't
either
really
one.
like it.
Yeah.
I mean, I would eat this.
Has more flavor.
I would eat that.
Probably.
I
I
think
probably would prefer that one.
If you're gonna have lasagna,
But I mean, I'd eat either one of them. I'd be happy with. But I think I would prefer this for being lasagna, because this is more.
I don't care
me,
what
it's
it
like
says it
spaghetti
is.
and
I
meat
just want it
sauce.
to taste good,
Yeah.
and that one tastes better for sure.
Does it?
And has a lot more meat. This one is like, honestly, so if you know anything about like frozen Stouffer's lasagna, this is exactly what this is. But
Yeah.
in my opinion, honestly, it's better. And that's why I like this one a lot. And that one is, again, like, I would eat that, but I would not choose that. I'm not like, oh, this is gross, I can't eat it. No. But
Well,
this is to me a lot better and has a lot more meat in
And
it,
this one-
which I like.
And this one looks like it's got peas in it and like some mushrooms.
Yeah. This is just full of
Right.
noodles and meat.
Yeah, but I think I would
And red
prefer
sauce.
this one.
Well, now it's tied up.
Yep, it's tied up.
Okay, now they have to have a death match. Cage match.
celebrity death match.
So to give you my final thoughts on these 2 meals, basically the young guys who still have taste buds love the Mountain House, and the older guys who all the taste buds are dead like the Backpacker Pantry. So take that with a grain of salt. Love to hear your guys' thoughts on these meals as well. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this lasagna and meat sauce battle of the legends, Backpacker's Pantry and Mountain House. You can purchase these at your local sporting goods store, lots of different places, but also on Amazon. That's where I picked these up. We'll have links in the description below, not only over to Amazon, but also Blade HQ. When you guys use any of those hyperlinks for any of the gear that you see in this video or any other videos, it really helps us out, supports the channel, and helps me get out here, take time off of work, and make videos like this for you. So thank you so much for your continued support by using those hyperlinks. These two guys were pretty competitive in price, you know, between like $6 and $10. Just depends on who, what, when, where, why, and where you purchase them. So one more thing I want to touch on as well. I'm not going to go through how much sodium is in each one, how many proteins versus, and you know, all that stuff. This is mainly a taste test and just kind of a general get your mind going and kind of thinking about not only options but what is out there. I would recommend going and reading as well if you're kind of on the fence still, the ingredients as well as the amount of serving sizes to, you know, size, all that different stuff that these two offer you, because there is some major differences. The Backpacker Pantry weighs about 7 ounces. The Mountain House is going to weigh about 4.8. So there's a weight difference there. There's a lot more sodium in the Backpacker Pantry. The Backpacker Pantry one is also, I didn't even realize until we were done with the video and filming everything, that it's actually a vegetarian. There is no meat in the Backpacker Pantry version, so that's something to consider as well. That might be a positive or negative for you. Different types of protein. From what I'm reading, it looks like the you're going to get a lot more protein per serving in the Backpacker Pantry, based off of what's on the website and different things like that. So that may be a positive. There's also way more sodium, just different things like that that you just need to think of, weigh pros and cons. There's not one that I would prefer over the other in the sense of what it gives you. This was much more just a taste test, and taste-wise, it's definitely the Mountain House is the one which wins for my brother and I, and the Backpacker Pantry for my dad and Brian. So things to consider, but yeah, read the ingredients, read the content of the stuff that goes into each one of these for some more data points, because it'll take me 10 minutes to, you know, go through that with you in this video. So guys, I want to thank you for coming over here today and checking out this episode. Check us out on all the relevant social media. Join the conversation. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on these two versions and which one you like, and what are your favorite, you know, dehydrated outdoor backpacking style meals. I'd love to hear from you guys. Put some comments below, and maybe we'll do some more taste tests down the line of some of the ones that you guys recommend. If you're not a current subscriber of Gideon's Tactical, I invite you to become part of the GT family, throwing up videos like this every single week. You current subscribers are awesome. Make sure you hit that bell icon next to the subscription bar to make sure it's in your newsfeed, and come over and check regularly. We throw up between 2 and 4 videos every single week for you guys, so we're always having and creating new content. Finally, always remember, stay equipped, stay prepared, and we'll see you out there.